Have you ever wondered why your eyes feel dry, irritated, or constantly tired after 60? Many people assume that dry eyes are just a normal part of aging, but the truth is what you eat has a direct impact on your eye moisture and tear production. The good news, certain foods have been shown to reduce dry eyes by up to 99%, restoring natural hydration and protecting vision as you age. And yet most people never hear about these simple natural solutions. In this video, we're going to reveal 6 powerful foods that can dramatically improve dry eyes after 60. These foods don't just provide temporary relief. They work from the inside out, improving tear quality, reducing inflammation, and preventing long-term damage to your eyes. Whether your dryness is mild or severe, incorporating these into your diet can help you see and feel the difference. Stay with me until the end, because what you eat could be the key to eliminating dry eyes for good. By the time we're done, you'll have a clear understanding of which foods make the biggest impact and how easy it is to start using them today. Now let's get started. Number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. One of the most effective ways to fight dry eyes isn't an eye drop, it's omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, found in foods like salmon, flax seeds and walnuts, play a critical role in keeping your eyes lubricated and reducing inflammation in the glands that produce tears. In fact, studies show that people who consume enough omega-3s experience fewer symptoms of dry eye syndrome, including redness, irritation, and that gritty feeling that makes blinking uncomfortable. The problem: most people over 60 don't get nearly enough of these essential fats in their diet. Omega-3s work by improving the composition of your tears, making them less likely to evaporate too quickly. Without enough omega-3s, tears can become unstable, leading to chronic dryness and discomfort. Worse yet, inflammation in the tear glands can block tear production altogether, leaving the eyes constantly irritated. But when omega-3 levels are restored, the tear film becomes healthier, allowing for smooth, continuous moisture across the eye surface. So where can you get these powerful nutrients? Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are some of the best sources, providing high-quality omega-3s that your body absorbs easily. Flax seeds and chia seeds are great plant-based options, along with walnuts and soybeans. And if you're not eating these foods regularly, a high-quality fish oil supplement can help fill the gap. If your eyes constantly feel dry, tired, or irritated, increasing your omega-3 intake could be one of the simplest and most effective ways to bring back lasting moisture. It's not just about eye health, it's about comfort, clear vision, and keeping your eyes functioning at their best for years to come. Number 2. Vitamin A-rich foods. One of the biggest reasons dry eyes become worse with age is a lack of vitamin A, a nutrient essential for keeping your tear film stable and preventing the surface of your eyes from drying out. Without enough vitamin A, your eyes struggle to produce high-quality tears, leading to constant irritation, redness, and a scratchy feeling. The good news: adding more vitamin A-rich foods to your diet can drastically improve tear production, keeping your eyes naturally moist and comfortable. Vitamin A is essential because it supports the mucus layer of your tear film, which is responsible for spreading moisture evenly across the eye. Without it, tears evaporate too quickly, leaving the eyes feeling dry and irritated. In more severe cases, vitamin A deficiency can even lead to night blindness and damage to the cornea. That's why getting enough vitamin A is one of the simplest and most effective ways to fight dry eyes from the inside out. So what are the best sources of vitamin A? Carrots, sweet potatoes, and butternut squash are some of the richest sources, packed with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also great options, along with eggs and dairy products, which provide a more direct form of the vitamin. And for those who struggle to get enough through food, a high-quality vitamin A supplement can help bridge the gap. If your eyes constantly feel dry, sensitive to light, or irritated, adding more vitamin A-rich foods to your diet could be a game changer. Your body depends on this nutrient to keep your eyes hydrated and protected, and making the small change now can help prevent worsening dryness in the future. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. Number 3. Hydrating foods with high water content. When most people think about dry eyes, they focus on eye drops or medications, but what they often overlook is one of the most fundamental causes of eye dryness: dehydration. Your body needs enough water to keep your tear glands working properly, and if you're not staying hydrated, your eyes will be one of the first places to suffer. The problem is, as we age, our natural thirst signals weaken, making it easier to become dehydrated without even realizing it. That's why adding hydrating foods to your diet is one of the easiest ways to keep your eyes naturally moist. Think about someone like Richard, an 81-year-old who never drank much water throughout his life. He always assumed that if he wasn't thirsty, he didn't need to drink. But over time, he noticed that his eyes felt gritty, especially in the mornings, and he often woke up with blurry vision that took longer to clear. At first, he blamed it on aging, but after his doctor suggested increasing his water intake through hydrating foods, everything changed. Within weeks of eating more cucumbers, watermelon and celery, his eyes felt fresher and the constant dryness disappeared. Your tear film is made up of 3 layers: oil, water, and mucus. When you're not properly hydrated, the water layer becomes too thin, leading to fast evaporation and discomfort. Dehydration also reduces blood flow to the eyes, making it harder for nutrients to reach the tear glands. This results in unstable tear production, leaving the eyes feeling tired, irritated, and overly sensitive to wind or bright light. So which foods help the most? Cucumbers, watermelon, and celery are among the best because they are over 90% water and packed with electrolytes that support hydration. Oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers are also great choices since they provide both hydration and vitamin C, which helps reduce inflammation in the tear glands. Even foods like broth-based soups and yogurt can contribute to better hydration, helping maintain tear volume and moisture levels. If your eyes often feel dry, scratchy, or tired, you might not need more eye drops. You might just need more hydration. Eating water-rich foods can restore moisture to your tear glands, keeping your eyes naturally refreshed without relying on artificial solutions. Making this one simple change can help prevent chronic dryness, protect your vision, and improve overall eye health for years to come. Number 4. Antioxidant-rich foods, lutein and zeaxanthin. One of the most overlooked causes of dry eyes is oxidative stress, a process where harmful molecules called free radicals damage the delicate tissues of the eyes. Over time, this stress weakens the tear glands, leading to unstable tear production and worsening dryness. But here's the good news: certain antioxidants, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin, help protect your eyes from this damage and keep your tear film strong. These 2 powerful nutrients filter out harmful blue light, reduce inflammation, and improve overall eye hydration. Take someone like Eleanor, a 76-year-old who loved reading, but found herself struggling with eye fatigue and dryness after just a few pages. She assumed it was just part of getting older, but after learning about the power of lutein and zeaxanthin, she started adding more antioxidant-rich foods to her diet, especially eggs, kale, and bell peppers. Within a few weeks, she noticed a huge difference. Not only did her eyes feel less dry, but she could read for longer periods without discomfort. What she didn't realize was that these antioxidants were helping strengthen her tear glands, allowing her body to produce better quality tears. Lutein and zeaxanthin are naturally found in the macula of the eye, where they absorb blue light and reduce oxidative stress. Without enough of these nutrients, the eyes become more sensitive, tear production declines, and inflammation increases, making dry eyes much worse. Studies have shown that people who consume enough lutein and zeaxanthin not only experience less dryness, but also maintain sharper vision as they age. So where can you get these essential antioxidants? Eggs are one of the best sources, as they contain both lutein and zeaxanthin in a form that is easily absorbed by the body. Dark leafy greens like kale, spinach, and collard greens are also excellent choices, along with yellow and orange vegetables like bell peppers, corn and squash. Even pistachios contain small amounts of these powerful nutrients. If your eyes often feel dry, irritated, or fatigued, especially after screen time, your body might be lacking the antioxidants it needs to protect your tear glands. By eating more lutein and zeaxanthin-rich foods, you can strengthen your eye health, reduce dryness, and keep your vision sharp for years to come. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. Number 5. Nuts and seeds for vitamin E. One of the biggest reasons dry eyes get worse with age is damage to the tear glands caused by oxidative stress. Over time, the tiny glands responsible for producing tears become weaker and inflamed, leading to lower tear quality and increased evaporation. But there's a simple solution: vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects these glands from damage and helps maintain healthy tear production. By adding more vitamin-rich foods to your diet, you can nourish your eyes from the inside out and prevent dryness from getting worse. Take someone like Henry, a 79-year-old who struggled with burning, irritated eyes every evening. He tried everything: eye drops, humidifiers, even prescription medications, but nothing seemed to provide lasting relief. Then a friend suggested adding more vitamin-rich foods to his meals. Within a few weeks of eating more almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts, something changed. His eyes felt more comfortable, the constant irritation disappeared, and he no longer relied on artificial tears every few hours. What Henry didn't realize was that vitamin E was helping repair his tear glands, allowing them to produce more stable, high-quality tears. Vitamin E is critical for protecting the cells of the eyes from oxidative stress, which is a major cause of age-related eye issues. Without enough vitamin E, the tear glands break down faster, leading to increased dryness, irritation, and discomfort. Studies have found that people who consume adequate vitamin E experience fewer eye problems, including dry eye syndrome, cataracts, and even macular degeneration. So where can you get this essential nutrient? Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are some of the best sources, providing high amounts of natural vitamin that the body absorbs easily. Avocados, spinach, and olive oil are also great options, delivering a combination of vitamin E and other antioxidants that support long-term eye health. Even a handful of nuts each day can provide lasting protection for your tear glands. If your eyes constantly feel dry, inflamed, or irritated, increasing your vitamin E intake could be the missing piece. This powerful nutrient works to protect, restore, and hydrate your eyes, helping them function at their best for years to come. Number 6. Probiotic and gut-healthy foods. One of the most surprising causes of dry eyes has nothing to do with your eyes at all. It starts in your gut. Your digestive health is directly linked to inflammation levels in the body, and when your gut is out of balance, your eyes often suffer. Studies have found that people with poor gut health experience more severe dry eye symptoms, while those who consume probiotics and gut-friendly food tend to have better tear production and reduced inflammation. That's because a healthy gut helps regulate immune responses, preventing the tear glands from becoming inflamed and dysfunctional. Think about someone like Judith, an 80-year-old who had struggled with dry, irritated eyes for years. She assumed it was just part of aging, but she also dealt with frequent bloating and digestive discomfort. What she didn't realize was that her gut health was contributing to her eye problems. After adding more probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir to her diet, something changed. Not only did her digestion improve, but her dry eye symptoms also faded, and she felt a noticeable difference in her overall comfort. The reason this works is because your gut and eyes are connected through the immune system. When the gut is inflamed, it can trigger an immune response that damages the tear glands, leading to unstable tear production and worsening dryness. But by improving gut health, you help reduce overall inflammation, allowing the eyes to stay hydrated naturally. So what are the best gut-friendly foods for eye health? Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir introduce beneficial bacteria that help reduce inflammation throughout the body. High-fiber foods like oats, beans, and leafy greens feed these healthy bacteria, promoting better digestion and immune balance. Even fermented foods like miso and pickles can provide powerful anti-inflammatory benefits that support tear production. If your eyes constantly feel dry, itchy, and irritated, especially alongside digestive issues, your gut health could be the missing link. By eating more probiotic and fiber-rich foods, you can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and naturally restore moisture to your eyes. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 6 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. Final thoughts. Now that we've explored these 6 powerful foods, take a moment to think about how your diet might be affecting your eyes. Many people assume dry eyes are just a natural part of aging, but as we've seen today, what you eat plays a huge role in maintaining moisture, preventing irritation, and protecting your vision for years to come. The best part, these foods don't just help with dry eyes. They support your overall health, reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and keeping your body functioning at its best. Maybe you've noticed your eyes feeling dry after long periods of reading or screen time, or perhaps you wake up with a gritty sensation that doesn't seem to go away. Instead of relying on artificial tears that only provide temporary relief, why not tackle the problem from the inside out? Increasing your intake of omega-3s, vitamin A, hydrating foods, antioxidants, vitamin E, and probiotics can transform your eye health naturally, without the need for medications or constant eye drops. The key takeaway here is simple. Your body gives you the tools to heal. You just have to give it the right fuel. By making small adjustments to your diet, you can restore moisture to your eyes, improve tear production, and protect your vision for the long run. And the best part, these foods are delicious, easy to incorporate, and provide benefits far beyond eye health. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.